why we should be very concise and very precious, and information should be provided there. Next, what is the purpose of multiple choice assessment? Okay, why we prefer multiple choice question over short answer question? Why we prefer multiple choice question over true and false? Let us look. Accuracy and easily access student knowledge, minimizing guessing, so that student can minimize the guessing. Okay, that yes, in the true and false, what student do? Either they have the two options, either they can write true, either they can write the false. So they have the guessing. Okay, but in multiple choice question they may not have the guessing words. Okay, if they are accurate, they can know that the answer in them about by just seeing the question and choices there. Okay, so they have no option for any guessing. Okay, that's why we use this MCQ assessment. Next, what is a multiple choice question? Okay, what is multiple choice question? That was introduced. Okay, the multiple choice question was invented in 1914 by Frederick Kelly. Okay, he was the inventor of the multiple choice question. Next, MCQ test by proportion of knowledge. Okay, it tests wide proportion of knowledge. Okay, if you have given a book there, okay, if you want to check the knowledge there, what is test the knowledge of the student, we can give the multiple choice question. It can be easy for the examinee as well as examiner. Okay, now third one, multiple choice question is a form of assessment. Okay, it is a form of assessment in which respondents are asked to select the best possible answer out of the choices from a list. So there what we give some option there, and we ask the examinee to answer the best. Okay, not the correct answer. We just try to we just give the option to the student to find out the best option. Okay, so in which we can test whether they are knowing the best answer or not. MCQ test widely used, especially in higher education. Okay, it is very important if you are taking test for the higher education student. Okay, we just take the MCQ because they are seen as being objective and they are popular even with student. And what is student like? If they have got the option there, okay, they prefer to give the examination very well. Okay, they just try out that if you are not knowing the answer, we can go for that one. Okay. Next, so that's why we can say that the MCQ are very popular even for the small kids also. Okay, as well as for the higher education purpose. Now, how we can classify multiple choice question? Okay, so there are some techniques known as the Bloom technology. Okay, so we can classify our multiple choice question based on facts, concepts, principle, and procedure. Okay, so we can classify it. Even the types of fact can be remembering and understanding. Okay, we know that some facts can be remembered. Okay, just like that. Who wrote the Declaration of the Independence? Okay, who wrote the Declaration of the Independence? That is a fact, but we can remember it also. Okay, that's why we classify under the remembering and understanding. Next one is if I know the fact, we can apply there. Okay, we can apply there. Where we can apply? Okay, so just like the question referring to the chart below, which continent is the most populated. Suppose we have given a chart there. Okay, that contains the factual data. Okay, so what we can do? We can just give the question like that. Okay, just like the applying, how they can apply. Referring to the chart below, which continent is the most populated. So this is a fact, but the student can analyze by applying their knowledge by solving their chart. Next one, the fact can be evaluating and creating. Which artist had the greatest impact on the impressionist movement? So this type of question can be asked for evaluation purpose and for creating. Next one is is your multiple choice question can be of concept type. Okay, how the concept type question can be of the remembering and understanding like question. Just like when it is most appropriate to use router over modem. Okay, so this is the concept when we use router over modem. So these both are having approximately same are having approximately same usage, but when we use router over modem, that's why we can use understanding. Okay, then you remember and understand. If they understand the concept better one, they can answer which one is the use most appropriate. Next one is that we can apply and analyze using the concept method. So one type of question can be asked. Okay, the sets of musical notes below represent the same time as which single notes. Okay, so this is a concept. Okay, but that is under the applying by analyzing. Just like there are two sets of musical notes below. Represent same time as which sets, which time as which single notes. Next one, how we can evaluate using the concepts and creating. Just as a question, which part of a word is most effective and defining in a meaning? Okay, this type of question can come under the evaluation, and the types of MCQ can be based on the concepts. Next one is a principle. Okay, based on the principle we can remember and understanding. Okay, what is the name of the constitutional principle that holds the people rule? It is fact. Okay, that becomes remembering, understanding, and is based on some principle. Next one we can use applying and analyzing principle. Okay, how does the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon affect the ocean? Okay, so we can say that it is based on an applying knowledge. Okay, and that we can apply knowledge with the help of some principle. So what is principle? How the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon affect the ocean. Okay, we have seen that tidal effect is very important in the full moon. Next, evaluation and creating can be also comes under the concept MCQ. How can you optimize shutter speed and aperture when taking a picture in low light? Okay, so we are evaluating the concept of the principle. Okay, how does it work? Speed and aperture when taking a picture in low light. Okay, last, how can classify multiple choice question is your procedure. Okay, and in the topic of procedure we can analyze with the help of remembering and understanding. In soccer, what shot is taken 12 yards from the goal line when there is no defense and only the goalie may block the shot? Okay, this type of question can become. How would leaving out baking soda from the bread resin affect the final outcome? Means we are applying what? We are applying some procedure. Okay, after applying some procedure, they can analyze it. Okay, how the baking soda form a bread resin affect the final outcome. Okay, next one, last one, we can classify multiple choice question or procedure, that is evaluating and creating, which are reproduction process for base to produce 1000 low cost high quality reproduction. So we are what we are doing? We are evaluating and creating with the help of some procedures. Okay, so we can say that we can classify multiple choice question based on facts, concepts, principle, and last procedure. So things we have known that how we can classify multiple choice question. Now come why we need MCQ. Why we use MCQ, okay, over other testing format. So first one is that it is very purely objective in scoring and testing. Okay, we can test scores. Okay. Next one is broad coverage of content and topic. We can cover lots of chapters. We can cover even the books within a short span of times. Okay. What happens in intent test? We have lots of portions. Okay, but what we need a short time also. That's why students are tested on the basis of multiple choice question so that they can cover not broad content. Next one is efficient use of time. As we have just discussed in the entrance examination, what happens? There are lots of people and we have to take a lots of examination there. That's why we prefer what? To need to save the time. If we have given a long answer type question, then that may take some time. Okay? That's why what we do? We prefer efficient use of time. So even in our school, okay, we have just completed our course chapters. What we need, if you want to evaluate that within the 15 minutes question, okay, we can give the multiple choice question and the student can answer it within that only and we can test that one. Then what is highly reliability? Okay, so if I say in the long answer question, student may write some different answers and they can ask that no sir I have written it correctly, but that can be not say that it is highly reliable, but MCQ is highly reliable. How? It can be either true or false. Okay, if you have given 4 options, only within that 4 options we have got the answer. Okay, so that can be reliable. Test large number of candidates. Okay, when we can test for a large number of candidates. So suppose if you want to just give a